back the numbers that the numerator will add it back by itself, and
Uh,
we get the answer for the other one. The same thing with the denominator.
all right. Okay. Now, what you guys are saying is not necessarily wrong according to your observation.
Times the denominator by the
Yeah.
denominator. Times the denominator by the denominator and get the answer.
All right. Reagan is coming
Actually,
close.
add
No, him coming close. All right. It times the denominator and the numerator by, finish it now, Reagan.
the same number. So
That's it. That's it. The same
add
number. Yes, that's it. The same number. So if you're going to, if you want to find, if you multiply the 1 by 10, you must multiply the 4 also by what? 10.
10.
So the secret then is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, and then you automatically be given the equivalent what fraction of that fraction. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why I say the others of you are correct by observation, because you are seeing addition taking place. But Melissa is saying add it twice, add it twice, add it twice. But what she's supposed to say? Why is she saying that? Because multiplication is repeated addition in groups. That's why I said that you're correct according to observation. But the right thing is though, is to multiply. Let me show you. Is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So if you want to call that number A, well, by the same number, hashtag times hashtag, right? Same number. So whatever you want, if you want an equivalent fraction where you multiply the numerator by 100, then you're going to multiply the denominator by 100 as well. See that 100 over 400, make sense?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good observation. All right, so let us move on from there. Somebody breathing so heavily into the mics. All right, so we're going to proceed now. Now we're at addition of fractions. Now we're going to pause right here, and then we're going to move into how you should use the videos. Because honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to enforce the rule, and I don't care what nobody have to say. I'm going to enforce the rule, okay? All right. So let us get into the meat of the matter.